Suppose you are a photographer who just finished a photo shoot. You have thousands of high quality photos that need to be stored securely. You decide to use a storage device that can hold all these images safely and allow you to access them whenever needed. You are considering various storage options and wonder if hard disk packs could be the right choice for this task. After giving it a thought, you decide to use hard disk packs to store the photos. Now, based on this scenario, let's address a related question. Hard disk packs are removable storage devices used to store massive amounts of information. State whether true or false. If your answer is true, then you are right. Hard disk packs were an early form of large-scale digital storage designed to be removable so they could be exchanged or transported as needed. They allowed users to handle vast amounts of data compared to other storage mediums available at the time. These packs could be physically removed from one device and inserted into another, facilitating the transfer or backup of significant data quantities. To clarify why the answer is true and not false, it's essential to understand the context. If the statement had said floppy disks or CDs, the amount of data these can hold would not qualify as massive by today's standards, although they are indeed removable. Saying hard disk packs are not removable or that they cannot store massive amounts of information would be incorrect given their design and purpose, particularly in their context and era of use. Hence, in the context of their time and functionality, stating that hard disk packs are removable storage devices used to store massive amounts of information is true. We learned about storage devices in our MSCIT course. You can learn more about this topic in your MSCIT book.